So Franco, can you tell me briefly about what your company does?
Sure. Eurotech designs and delivers full IoT solutions, including hardware, software, and services. But I think the unique value that Eurotech brings to our customers is the combined expertise in both hardware and software. So the company started over 25 years ago, developing embedded modules and systems. And then we realized that the most important thing was having all these modules and systems communicate with one another. Then we developed the MQTT protocol together with IBM. And about 6 years ago, we realized that we needed a framework, both at the edge and the cloud, with more additional services and features in order to make an IoT solution complete.
And so what do you think the top market challenge is at the moment?
Well, for sure is the familiarity of our customer with what it takes to connect the IT world to the OT world. So basically the OT world is the physical systems. And there are many things involved in that. There's connecting to different sensors, connecting and understanding different industrial protocols, and connecting and interfacing with legacy systems. So we figure out that our customers, normally they overlook this complexity, and this is exactly what we wanted to address with our software and services.
Why is it that they overlook that complexity?
Because they are unfamiliar. So there are few customers that they start looking into a full IoT solution. They are more familiar on the IT environment rather than the OT environment. So when they have to connect the two worlds, they normally need to understand the embedded world that they are not very familiar with.
And you work with Scriptr. Can you tell me a bit about this collaboration?
It's a wonderful partnership. For the short description that I gave, Eurotech focuses in connecting the IT world all the way down to the edge and the sensors. But what we do not provide is the dashboarding or the applications at the cloud level. So the collaboration is a synergy between what we provide for connectivity, communication, and management of the devices, and a full development environment for the applications of the cloud.
And what's the best thing about this collaboration?
Oh, there are many things. First of all, the simplicity of the platform. So you don't need to install anything, and the time that it takes to connect to the data and to display from a simple dashboard all the way to a very complex application, it takes really minutes. An additional value is that a scripter already knows our platform, so the connectivity with the data is seamless and already provided by the platform.
And have you worked with other collaborators before? Have you worked with other organizations like this, or is this your first?
We do have several partners that are, you know that IoT is not a single vendor play, but it's an ecosystem of different partners, so absolutely yes. Not only at the cloud level, but also at the edge part of the solution and at the sensor part of the solution.
What is it about the collaboration with Scriptr that makes it a good one?
Both the technology and the people. It's a pleasure to work with the technology that is effective and quick, and not only allows you to have some simple applications and interfaces already done in minutes, but a full-fledged production level application that you can grow as much as you like, including not only the visual part, but also complex logic in it. This is the technology part, but also from the people perspective, it's a pleasure to work with a company that is knowledgeable, and it's very easy to work with.
And looking ahead into the future, like say the 5-10 years, what's your top IoT prediction?
Well, that is difficult because there's so many predictions out there. What I think is going to be very important in the next years is security. So Eurotech has spent a lot of resources and time in order to have security embedded since the very beginning of the platform development. And now we are recognizing that more and more customers are realizing the importance of having a complete secure pipe from the device all the way to the cloud for their IoT solutions implementations.
Great, well, let's watch this space. Thanks so much, Franco, for your time today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.